Hello guys, so we're applying RTV to our crankcase. This is a crankcase transmission for a Polaris. It could be for any mechanic crankcase or whatever it is. But the better way to do it is with one of these guns. You can get it on Amazon or online. So you can get a consistent bead. You don't have to put a lot. I put like an eighth of an inch, but kind of squeezed it when I was going through. I was like caulking in the wood, but it was being consistent all around. And then on these holes, they were kind of in the middle, kind of went up. Not on these, because this is the top of the case, so these are probably not gonna leak. But the ones on the chain, you have to clean everything real good too before you do prepping work and everything. And then can I change hands and I had to redo it again, but don't go too near the inner side, because when you squish it, some of it will get in and you don't want a lot of it to get out. And then I kind of went, this is a ball, so make sure to go in the holes, double in the holes, make sure you got everything. Like, it doesn't have to be perfect, but it has to be consistent and clean. You have to clean it before with a carb cleaner or parts cleaner and a clean rag just before applying it. That and the top, the cover, so everything's clean. I don't want to touch it, but everything's good. Make sure to grease your seals before you put them in. Use a mallet to sit it down, especially if it has a lot of these bearings that had to go through. But right now I'm gonna leave it a couple minutes, maybe 5 minutes before I put it in. I'll retorque it and I'm gonna grease again, oil this, all the things that are gonna go through the top lid. Oh, I missed this too. There's if your case or your work has inner silicone, make sure to get them. I'm gonna put a tiny little bit inside of it, this one, because they do get, these two get in the middle, those two, which I cleaned before. You have to clean these before. I'm just telling you how to apply it. And if you want to get one of these guns, they're pretty handy. Make sure to get your whatever RTV you want. This is a high heat color, don't matter. I got a cheaper one, but these are pretty good. You can get them this Chinese, or you can get them at a pot store, whatever, and get your tip real tiny, because when you do the pressing, it's gonna come up like this. And I kind of smushed it and with the tip, so it's gonna take a little bit of pressure for it to go all the way in. I don't want a lot of it to get in, that's why I kind of went in the middle, and I don't want any of the outside so it look ugly. It'll still, some of it will come out. If you want a perfect blending, you get the gray RTV so you barely notice it. This one I don't mind, this is an old vehicle, but you get it all around. Alright guys, so this is a proper way and the nice way to get your RTVs sealed up and your crankcases or whatever you're doing right. Thank you. Please drop a like.